Hello and welcome. I'm Wayne. And today I'm going to talk to you about that. And that is the application or app launcher in Microsoft 365. It's also referred to as the waffle. Hungry? The app launcher is like a doorway to all of the Microsoft 365 applications. Everything from Microsoft Office Online to OneDrive storage. You'll also see other applications that your organization has approved for the app launcher. So over the next few videos, I'm going to be talking about a lot of the tools that are on the app launcher and show a lot of how-tos and a lot of quick tips, as many as I can. But in this video, I just want to focus on one thing. And that's a way for you to help yourself in one of the more heavily used applications, and that is Microsoft Teams.
The Teams application is updated on a regular basis. So even if you're a regular Teams user, there's a lot you can miss. So let help you to keep up with the latest changes. Teams help is broken into 3 sections: help topics, training, and what's new in the application. You can even suggest a feature if there's one you'd like to see, or provide feedback to Microsoft on the Teams application itself. Help topics allow you to search for just-in-time answers to your questions on various Teams features. You can search by keyword or choose from a list of suggested topics. If you are new to Teams or just want to improve your skills, then Training has several topics to choose from, including plenty of videos that make learning easy. Topics include everything from just the basics to Teams on the go. What's New can keep you up to date on the latest updates to the Teams app, from starting a new chat in a new window to managing notifications and meeting options. It's all organized by date, and you can even look for updates that apply to different devices and operating systems. Well, that's a quick tour of the help in Microsoft Teams. I hope this has been helpful to you, and until our next video, thanks for joining me, and I'm Wayne.